Karibu sana. Asante mheshimiwa na
We are at the initial stages of starting a training camp, athletics training camp at Lesirwa. We have already started registering, and I want to believe before the end of this month of April, we'll be done with registration, so that we'll be able to train our students, give them the required training, so that they'll be able to compete favorably.
What attracted my attention zaidi is because I have started a special program to identify special 3,000 meter steeplechase talents, because it's a race where Kenya has always done very well, but recently we have lost our prowess in the world, and so we need talents.